Video is for educational and documentary purposes only. 18 plus only. Thank you for not deleting me, YouTube. Hey, Hit Rippers here. This is part 2 of the purple lemonade and strawberry cough grow. It's been a little over 24 hours since they've been soaking in the can. At 16 hours I did open them up and see if I could get them to sink to the bottom. They did sink. I checked on them before I left because I had to go somewhere today. That's why it's a little over 24 hours now. And they were floating again. Let's open it up and see what we got. The strawberry cough is sank, and the purple lemonade is floating, but it has a little tail on it, if you can see. Focus. This one's hard to tell if there's a tail on it. It looks like there could be popped open, but we're gonna go ahead and take this out. And we'll set it over here. And now we're gonna take a turkey baster and we're gonna suck water out until we're down to that little notch right there. Put it in up here. And one more should do it. That was wrong. Take a little bit more. There, that should be good. Now we're going to take this and put it back. And this is going to be the paper towel method, as I like to say. The little filter acts as a paper towel, keeping it moist. And there's still heat going to it because it stays on the heat mat. Yep, the strawberry cough does have a little tail, and so does the pink lemonade. Oh, sorry guys, can't see what I'm doing here. Trying to get pink lemonade, purple lemonade away from the wall there. There we go. It's not so bad. So now we'll put the lid back on and we'll set our timer for another 24 hours. And we'll come back and hopefully we'll have a couple long tap roots. And we'll plant them in the peat pucks in the germination tray. Okay, well, that's it for now. So I'll let you go. Hit Rippers 420 out. Hey, Hit Rippers 420 here. We're back. It hasn't been 24 hours yet, but the tap roots have popped enough that we can go ahead and transplant them into the peat pucks. As you can see, here's Purple Lemonade and Strawberry Cough. We already got a pH'd water with some clean kelp in it for soaking the peat pucks. I done that off camera just because it's faster that way, but I get this RO water and then put a splash of clean kelp in it, and then it's pH to 6.5. So now we're gonna throw and then we warmed it up on the stove some. It will help with the soaking of the peat pucks. So we'll put 3 here. One's for the probe. We'll move this out of the way while those are soaking. Here's the tray, and there's the hole for the probe. Put the tray on the heat mat. Some crap in it. Now that's better. So we're gonna put the probe in like so, and then once one of the peat pucks is soaked enough and rehydrated, we'll put the probe in a peat puck, and then the other 2 will be for the seeds. Okay guys, while these are soaking, I'm going to pause the video. Okay, we're back. Looks like the pucks are hydrated. Give them a little squeeze so they're not so soaked. And then I'm going to take my little tweezers things. It has so I can poke a hole. And we're going to put the seeds right here, so let's go ahead and put the probe. Squish it around the probe so it stays in. And now we're going to do the seeds. So get another puck like so. Give her a good little squeeze. Poke a hole down that far, and then we're gonna get Purple Lemonade first. And these are tweezers that I got with the can special seed tweezers. And then we're gonna take a little tool here that with make shifted and gently cover the taproot and the seed just a little bit. That way it won't dry out. And we're gonna put her right here. Actually, we're gonna put her right. We'll put them beside each other. I was gonna put them away from each other, but okay. Now it's time for strawberry cough. Same thing. Squeeze out your puck. And then put your hole, and then grab your seed with your tweezers, put it down in there like so. And cover her up. There we go. It's all covered up. Now we're gonna grab 2 popsicle sticks. I usually I'll probably write down on a piece of paper, make a little map, but for now we're just going to use the popsicle sticks, and we're going to put PL for purple lemonade. Purple lemonade. And that go down. Nope. So purple lemonade, and then SC for strawberry cough. And let's move the probe down and put the strawberry cough right there. There you guys go. The reason you want to put the probe in a puck is so it's reading the same temperature as the pucks in that have the seeds in them. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean this out, dump this, get some fresh water, and put a little kelp in it and pH it to 6.2 to 6.5, and we're gonna put it in our handy dandy little new sprayer that I have not used yet. And we'll be keeping them moist, keeping the humidity up. Here's the lid. We'll spray the top of the lid when we get that. When the sprayer's all ready. So I'm gonna pause the camera while I do all this, and we'll come back and spray it, and we'll be done for this part. Okay guys, hold on. Okay, we're back. We got the water with clean kelp in it. The clean kelp helps give a little nutrients without burning the roots. It actually helps promote root growth. So that's one reason I use it. It helps with stress. It helps give it a little iron and zinc and there we are, perfect. Okay, we're going to pause the video for a minute again. Having some problems with the sprayer. Well, something's wrong with my new pump sprayer. Either I done something wrong putting it together, or anyways, we're going to spray it like that just for now until I can figure out why it's doing this. Pink lemonade, strawberry cough, and now we're gonna put some batteries in the sensors here. Got the little Vivio-Sun humidistats. Put the dome on. And put the batteries in the meter. Set it to Fahrenheit and let it, there we go. Out is reading 77.7 Fahrenheit at 39% humidity. And humidity will go up as the dome sits. Okay guys, well, that's about it for now. We'll come back when it's time to I'll check in on them and let you guys know how the progress is going and show them to you how as they pop out of the soil, the peat pucks. And And then when they get their true leaves, we'll mix up some soil in 2 5-gallon pots and put them in the tent. Okay, Hit Rippers 420 out. Hey, Hit Rippers 420 here. As you can see, it hasn't even been a full day since I transplanted these into the peat pucks this morning, and they're already popped out and getting their cochineal leaves open, their sucker leaves, whatever you want to call them. So looks like we're gonna hopefully have a good grow. These things are very vigorous, good genetics, and they're not old seeds, they're fairly new. So yeah. Okay guys, we'll give you an update here a little later and show you more as they progress. Okay guys, later.